Hi everyone, this is Sovik Sasmal, research scholar at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. In 2D material, high magnetic field at low temperature leads to dissipation less S rate, producing quantum Hall effect. There have been ongoing effort to realize such quantum Hall effect in 3D bulk system. Calcium copper for AS2 is the most suitable candidate among them. So today's title of my talk is Coexistence of Charge Density Wave and Quantum Hall Effect in Bulk Calcium Copper for AS2. Calcium copper for AS2 has layered rhomboidal structure. 7 layers of calcium, copper and AS forms septuple layers, and each unit cell has 3 such septuple layers. If we look carefully, copper atoms are surrounded by 4 AS atoms, constructing complex tetrahedral copper 4 AS2 structure. This layered structure consists of parallel conduction channels, which has a significant effect on magnetotransport. A bulk aligned crystal has been used for electrical transport measurement. The electrical current has been passed along crystallographic C direction and AB plane. Here are 2 such configurations and their temperature dependent resistivity. At zero field, when we apply current along AB plane, the resistivity shows a sharp drop at 51 K and observe a hysteresis at the transition temperature. When a small anomaly is found for C direction. In presence of magnetic field, the resistivity increases slightly for both, but if we increase the field value more, we find C direction resistivity increase rapidly and indicating poor conducting nature, whereas no such increment is found for along AB plane resistivity. The transition at 51 K is due to charge density wave, which is further confirmed by heat capacity and single crystal X-ray diffraction experiment. The temperature dependent specific heat data shows a sharp peak at 52 K and hysteresis at the transition temperature. In presence of magnetic field, the peak value and the position does not change. This suggests the transition is not involved any magnetic transition. The single crystal X-ray diffraction of HK0 plane is shown here. At 80 K above the transition temperature, the bright diffraction spots are corresponds to primary planes. But at 45 below the transition temperature, it shows multiple satellite peaks suggesting structural distortion which causes charge density wave. Calcium copper for AS2 has 2D open Fermi surface. It has 2 corrugated cylindrical hole pocket at J and open electron pocket centered at F. This 2D nature also observed in electrical transport measurement. High magnetic field resistivity data shows Shubnikov-Dihas quantum oscillation, and the oscillation frequency is corresponds to extremal area of the Fermi pocket perpendicular to the magnetic field. As the Fermi surface is open, tilting the magnetic field changes the extremal area, and after certain angle the oscillation frequency vanishes. Here in our case, the oscillation vanishes above 45 degree and the frequency follows 2D scaling law, which confirms 2D parallel conduction channels present in the system. In 2D system, high magnetic field leads to dissipation less edge state, producing quantum Hall effect. For multilayer transport, the large number of conduction channels contribute to Hall resistance. Here Z indicates the total number of conduction channels in the system. Here is our inverse Hall resistivity data, which shows quantized Hall step. In short summary, calcium copper for AS2 has a rhombohedral layered structure. All electrical transport, specific heat, and X-ray diffraction experiments confirm charge density wave in the system. 2D transport prioritize quantum Hall effect in the system. Most importantly, quantum Hall effect in charge density wave bulk system is first time, and it enlightens new understanding of charge transport.